Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned for this one.
Beachy Beach.
We have an adorable house.
I love Tapestry Park.
One of your favorite neighborhoods.
Yes, this neighborhood is so up and coming. It's so great.
Perfect location, very convenient, kind of in the middle, central area of Panama
Smack in
City
the middle.
Beach. This cute 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. What do you love about it?
All the things. It's perfectly coastal, but what I love so much is when you walk in, it's got the grand open living area right into your living space, into the kitchen. The whole family can just sit there and enjoy each other's company. It's perfect.
I do like the island in the kitchen, and what I also love, off the kitchen, there's this great little outside area that's like a sitting porch, super cute, spacious garage.
It's great.
Yes, so you got all those little extras, cute little front porch, and as Heather mentioned, Tapestry Park is a fabulous neighborhood. You've got a clubhouse, we've tried out the basketball courts before.
Yes, with
Yes.
a pool.
Yes.
And it's got tennis courts. It's got open green space for the family to, take the kids out, the dogs out, enjoy the
Pet
neighborhood.
friendly,
Yes.
with the sidewalks and that sort of thing.
Yep.
If you are looking for a great deal for a 3-bedroom home under $600,000 in Panama City Beach, this home in Tapestry Park would be a perfect option. We'd love to show it to you.
Absolutely. And for more information on the actual listing, look in the description below, click the link, and you can get more details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one, so make sure you subscribe and ring that bell.